What's good YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to create an event handler that can read files from a directory recursively, meaning you can have files in folders within the events folder, like this. Let's get started. Install the read-derp module. Require the read-derp function from the module. Create an events folder. Create a file for the ready event. This file will export an object with info about the ready event. We will move our code from the ready event in the index.js file here. Create a file for the message create event. Copy and paste the content from the ready event. Change it accordingly for the message create event. Copy and paste the content of the message create event in the index.js file here. Create a self-invoking asynchronous function. Add a try-catch block to catch any errors. Use a for await loop to iterate through the files in the events folder. Dynamically require the event file using the full path. Check if the event is either once or on, using a ternary operator. Set up the event, and pass the rest parameters from the callback function to the event's execute function using the spread syntax. Run and test the bot. Log loaded events to the console. Thanks for watching.